Welcome back to Joe's Math Tools, where math is made easy. In this session, we are adding whole numbers when one of our addends has 3 digits and there is no regrouping involved. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we are adding whole numbers when one of the addend has 3 digits and there is no regrouping involved. I remember that as we go through our questions, I will be stacking the numbers so that we can also practice how to correctly align our digits when adding. So in our first example, we have 5 being added to 104. Remember, 4 is the last digit and it is in the ones column, so that will go underneath our 5. And we will writing our remaining numbers in front of our 4. So let's sum our numbers together. We have 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. We bring down our 0 since it's not being added to anything, and the same thing with our 1. So our sum is 109. In our second example, we are adding 27 plus 541. Our 1 is in the ones column, so that will go underneath 7. Our 4 is in the tens column, so that will go underneath our 2. And our 5 is in the hundreds column, so that will be written in the front of both of our columns. So now let's sum our numbers. We are adding 7 plus 1, which will equal to 8. 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. And we'll bring our 5 down for a sum of 568. In our third example, we have 682 being added to 316. Our 6 is in the ones, that will go underneath our 2. Our 1 is in the tens column, which will line up with our 8. And my 3 is in the hundreds column, so that will be written underneath my 6. Let's sum our numbers together. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. And 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So our number sums to 998. In our fourth example, we're summing 9,285. That is being added to 602. My 2 is in the ones column, that will go underneath my 5. 0 is in the tens, that will go underneath my 8. 6 is in the hundreds, so this will go underneath my 6. Let's sum our numbers together. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. And we bring our 9 down for a sum of 9,887. In our final example, we have 957 being summed to 78,021. My 1 in this question is in the tens, is in the ones, pardon me. My 2 is in the tens. My 0 is in the hundreds, which will be written underneath my 9. My 8 and my 7 will be written, which is my thousands block, in front of our numbers. Let's sum. We have 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. 8 will come down since it's not being added to anything, and the same thing with our 7, which gives us a sum of 78,978. Okay, so there you have it. We just summed our whole numbers when we were working with one digit, when we were working with one of our numbers having 3 digits in its addend. Remember, as always, get some additional practice in, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Joe's Math Tools, where the aim is always to make math easy.